Disclaimer, please don't laugh. Enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Alright, so in today's video I'll be making the Jamaican fried dumpling for the very first time. Okay, I saw JR Adventure make this fried dumpling and I jotted down the ingredients that was used in this fried dumpling, so I said why not. Alright, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I already prepared saltfish and mixed veg together, so I'm gonna look about the fried dumpling and put it with the saltfish and mixed vegetable that I have, and this will be my breakfast for this morning. Okay, I always say my father make this a fried dumpling here, but me never really, me never know when put in the fried dumpling. I am not a chef. I can handle myself, we can help myself. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this fried dumpling together. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on the post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, all right, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. Road to 1K. Let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so here we have the flour. Right here we have the baking powder. Sugar is in this, and I have my salt, and I have chiffon butter. I don't know if I chiffon butter, but I never chiffon butter then use butter, this thick butter, but butter, right? So yeah, let's go ahead. This is the water to put in the flour and everything. All right, so let's go. All right guys, so I already washed my hands, so let's go. So I'm not sure the measurement or anything, but yeah. This is salt. As I said, I'm not sure the measurements, but sugar, put the butter in there. People that me see them do, so nobody come bash me. Me know me not do nothing wrong. I'm not doing anything wrong. See, broke up the butter in there. Yeah, let me see. Come on.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends want.
Alright guys, then I see some, it look like I add too much sugar. Look like I add too much sugar, but let's see. Water.
guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
Guys, remember to subscribe, watch your video them, like up your video them, you know? Yeah. Road to 1K. As me say, I am not a chef. Me just a try a thing when me see, you know? Yeah. No, someone will start laugh already, but you know, so you go. So you go.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you.
Guys, and I think this need more flour. And I think this need more flour. What do you think? No, sir. Like, me need to add more flour to this thing. I say, look. No. Go add more flour. A little bit more flour. Remember, we are not chef here. Yeah. So try a thing. You just like go and try a thing. Alright, they come together. It's coming together. Also in the comments, guys, you can let me know how you look about your fried dumpling. You know? Yeah. You can comment down below. Let me know. But this look like it come together. As I said earlier, if I feel I'm not going to see it, see me there. But all this, I should have. If you had a little more sugar, little more flour. People may know this I broke up, so you know. Oh, they broke up, so. But they come, they get tighter and tighter. No, murder. JR Adventure TV want to come to the front of the line and tell me what me I do wrong. Yeah? Tell me what me I do wrong. Cause I don't know how this can't come together yet. It can't come together yet. Or I say it for stay. You know, say I say it for stay? Alright. Hold on. Go put on a pot of oil now. Alright guys, so we have a pot with the oil, you know? Yeah, so when it get hot now, we just put in the dumpling in there, alright? It still not come together now. But it still not come together. I don't know what the problem. What's the problem? It not come together. Alright, where's the background? the aisle are hot, so they feel bigger or people don't laugh at me. Don't laugh, okay? I am trying. But it will come out good, may I tell you now. Oh. It will come out good. Yeah. May I try? Most of them can make it get bigger. I go get bigger in my pot. I am trying, okay? Don't bash the eye because I am trying, okay? As me say, I'm a first time, so I must learn. You know? But me think they feel bigger though. I think they feel bigger. I think they feel bigger than this. I mean, I know. Oh God. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put them in right now. What you know? I know them burn up, you know. My back's good. What on there? You see how me I sweat? It's something them burn up. Them burn up. Oh, don't put too much sugar? Them burn up. No, oh God, me they sweat. I must joke this. No, I have to joke. A joke? No, I have to joke. People, somebody call help. Help. I am sweating. Help. It is so embarrassing. Oh God. No. I'm gonna cry. What is this? What is this? No, like, what is this? Oh God, no. I think it pot too hot. I think it all too hot because I couldn't do nothing else. Is either the all too hot or I put too much sugar. But what is? I am sweating. Somebody call help. Help, please. Me no know what this is. So a little bit enough. But I gotta try again. I gotta try again. Me not stop. I am not stopping until me get it. I gotta try again. Oh, you not gonna flap my show today. Oh, that me I tell you. I should have put too much sugar in there, you know. I sugar, you know. I sugar. Or is it, as we say, is either the sugar or the too hot? What is for me in the Friday? Eh? Maybe try again. Watch. And it will come out good this time. Yeah, it will come out good this time. I say I not stop till I get it. I not stop till I get it. Okay? I not stop till I get it. Alright? Just wait, man. Just wait. No, this is too funny. This funny, you know? This is so funny. What is this? No, this is so funny. Somebody come help me, please. Sure. Daddy, somebody call my father. Come here already, sir. Wonder if you know say butter? I butter. A chiffon butter and a stick butter me did see, but butter, no sir. Butter is butter. This is so embarrassing. You know, so I'm still put up the video. Go have laugh for me today. Somebody call my father. Because this is not right. By the time we put in the something, so I can make it perfect. Because me don't know what this is. Me don't know what me do wrong. People, let me know in the comments what I did wrong. Okay, can I see everything? I want me see me I do, you know. So I do wrong. Me done. Well, like me literally me done. Me a sign out, me go turn off the stove. I'll turn off the gas to you me done right now, cause what me I do wrong? What is this? Listen to me, be gone. Me done. After me say me get up this morning ready for look boss and fried dumpling, you know, why it now come out like how me see come out with the other people? Like I'm do wrong. Somebody can help me out, please? Please let me know in the comments what me do wrong, what? Me they always say everybody can make a fried dumpling them, you know, but me just did I try. So no need for laugh off of me. You just help me out. Like, not even gonna put no on the stove. I'm not gonna put no in there now. Cause this can't eat. I'm done. Watch out. What is? I'm gonna turn off the stove. I'm done. I just live. Somebody please send help because I'm afraid to show you. I'm afraid to show you. I'm afraid to show you. I go back. I will cry. I'm gonna put it, I work hard, you know. Like me literally I work hard. Me work hard for this thing. Yeah. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Nobody tell no friend. Nobody tell no friend. No. Nobody tell no friends I'm a bun up the fried dumpling, please. My God, I can't do this. My God.